Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had done the chapter's explanation. I hope you had understood well, and I'm sure you are reading the chapter on your own, even. Without your own reading, things will not be very clear. It is very important to read on your own whenever you have time. And I don't want to talk much about the importance of reading. You know very well, I've been telling you repeatedly to read a lot, read a lot, read a lot. Whether it is your course book of Hindi, English, Science, SS, anything, or any storybook, or facts, or any general knowledge book, but you must read, children. Till we are not meeting in a school, please utilize your time very effectively. Very effectively, it is very important. Don't lose your heart. Don't waste your time being at home. Please don't waste your time. Use it. Okay. The chapter must have been very clear. Let's start with this question answers, and these question answers you are going to do in the notebook and send me on my WhatsApp number. You all have my WhatsApp number for checking. Okay. Number 1. Why did Ashish start his nature rambles with Biren Kaka early in the morning? Why early in the morning? I told you because it's not very hot in the morning and it feels good. So, according to the book, they would start early in the morning when the sun was low and shining on the morning dew, and the air was cool and pleasant. And the air was cool and pleasant. Like, in short, the weather is very nice early morning. It is not hot, so you can enjoy your nature walk a lot. How did Ashish describe the shape of the bottle tree? According to Ashish, the shape of a bottle tree can be called like a barrel with branches on top. Barrel, you know, a drum like container to store liquids, which is fat in the middle and flat at the bottom and top. So he said it's like a barrel with branches on top. Which continent does the baobab tree come from? The baobab tree comes from Africa. It is native to Africa. Its actual place of growing is Africa, the continent of Africa. What is the shape of the pitcher plant? It's like a jug and it has got a lid over it. The shape of a pitcher plant can be called like a jug. How does a pitcher plant trap insects? The pitcher plant, you have to tell the whole method, the procedure, how the plant attracts. First, it attracts the insects into its to its bottom where it has some nectar. The insect gets stuck to it. Insect falls inside it, gets stuck to it, and now it cannot climb out of the pitcher because the pitcher's walls are smooth and slippery. They have hairs pointing down to hold the insect. Neither the insect can fly out nor it can climb out, and finally it dies and is digested by the plant. What happened when Ashish touched a mimosa plant? As soon as he touched the mimosa plant, touch me not wala, the whole plant seemed to shrink away from his hand. The paired leaves folded together and the branches drooped down as if the plant was dead. Very smart this plant is, because children, every plant, every creature, every insect, every animal, all the human beings in nature, they know how to protect themselves and how to survive. Why do you think the pitcher plant eats insects? To survive, because uska soil is not providing enough nutrients. So to survive, it has like adapted itself. It has changed its ways eating insects. Secondly, what is this touch me not telling us? To protect itself, it does all this trick. As like, if the plant is dead, nobody will be attracted towards it, nobody will take care of it, nobody will look at it, nobody will notice it, and the plant will be safe. Because every creature, whether very small, tiny, or huge, God has provided the skill to save itself. Why is a mimosa plant kept in a nursery? Oh, nursery mein we keep small and weak ones. So the plants which are very small or weak are kept in a nursery till they grow to a considerable size, when they can survive on their own out in the wild. So a mimosa plant is kept because it is in a nursery, because it is small and weak and cannot survive on its own outside in the wild. What is the popular name of the mimosa plant? Very sweet. Touch me not. What actions do morning glories and lotuses perform in the morning? They bloom in the morning. They open their petals in the morning and they make the surroundings look beautiful. Where did Ashish find water lilies? He found water lilies in the fish pond. In the fish pond. So that's it, children. Tomorrow we'll do exercises of the chapter. Please read the chapter well and do this work in neat and bright. Okay? Bye bye.